Hey everyone, today we're going to build a website using Google Sites. So once you're logged into your Google account, you can just come to the search bar and type Google Sites. And then you'll choose the first link for Google Sites. And then it gives you some different template options. You can also start out with a blank website. I'm going to choose the salon one, assuming that I'm opening a salon business here. And once you click that, it will be able to generate in an editor that you'll be able to modify. So the title, the different pages, you can add a logo and different content as well. You can modify phone number and so on. You can also come over here to pages and edit or add different pages for your website. Once you've made those edits, so we'll say, for example, you come here and say my site. Then you can come up here to publish and then pick my site. And you can put whatever you want here for your website address. You'll also be able to put a domain here, which you'll have to pay for, but you can set that up by clicking manage here and doing that as well. And then once you hit publish, you'll be able to click the view button here at the bottom, and there is your website. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.